What's up, fellas? Nordoom here, playing Infinity Strike in rank, cards and castles. I'm gonna get rid of these two spells. I want more units earlier on. I'm running 17 units in this deck right now. Sniper is there as well, so really, yeah, that's the deck. That's the build. So we got our dragons early. Don't know if that's good or not. Just playing them for fun right now to test them out. Okay, now this is where Sniper will shine a little bit. You can just pop that books off. Now, I made a mistake in a previous game, and I played Wotan on Sniper after shooting like this, and Wotan will just come into play with -3 attack. What the hell is this guy doing? You know what? We're gonna go in. We're gonna go in. We're gonna crew that bastard. You know why? Because fuck you, that's why. Now, Don't TH is a good player. He's playing Crusaders Warlocks, which is pretty solid right now. They have a lot of ways of getting some card advantage. So I have a few options here. I could play something to get some board presence, or I can play Final Strike, give up board presence, but reset Sniper and deal damage to the castle. Let's try with the Final Strike. Let's see how this deck is at regaining board control with no presence on the board. Might be a bad move just now. I gave him like free reign. He could set up buildings and stuff like that without worrying. Priest, you bastard. Hate Priest. I mean, I like Priest a lot. Don't really hate him. So, you could do two things. I could Vileroth that guy, or I could Witch Doctor and Sniper his Priest. I'm gonna Sniper the Priest before it gets too out of hand. Did I just top a second Final Strike? Awesome. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Ooh, building. He did that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play Rat King there, Vileroth there. I'm looking to hopefully get a rat out somewhere, and then Wotan the rat. Nope, no rats for me. Now this is where I need like Bombard and Infinity Strike. I mean Eternity Strike. I'm making up my own spell names. Okay, what do I want to do? So Eternity Strike. Do I attack the Drake? Then my guy takes damage. See, I have no idea what I'm doing because just made this deck, trying to figure it out as I go along. I think I'm gonna Phantom Strike the building and Eternity Strike the Drake. Let's just go with that for now. Because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's Eternity Strike first. Might have just wasted that Phantom Strike. But, hey, you never know. So someone was asking, what is that clicking sound in the background? That's not the clicking sound. This is the clicking sound. So this is my Switchblade that I'm just opening and closing. I do it just sometimes while I'm doing other things, talking on the phone. Right now, playing Cards and Castles. This sound here, I don't know if you can hear it, but this is my butterfly knife. So, yes, that's what I do. Okay, so something happened. Wasn't paying attention. I think he used 2 Drakes and killed my guy. This harmonic balance is not liking it that much. I can't play anything right now. Not liking it because of my playstyle. It doesn't suit my playstyle. It suits a different playstyle. I could make a deck around harmonic balance. This is not a deck around harmonic balance. It's just a deck. Okay, so if I use harmonic to play Throne, it's 2 gold. Skeleton can run forward, play Wotan. That's 7, 8 attack. And that's just enough movement. Let's go with that play. So basically there, Wotan was plus 5 damage to the skeleton. That's all it was. A buff that did plus 5 damage and gives it stealth at the end of each turn. It makes it look like a dragon. And I have to use a card to do that. Okay. So I think we're screwed again because we only have 2 cards in hand and our opponent has 6 in hand, and that monk's still on the board. I just played Rakanoth. Okay. So my plan was, I think, to be aggressive, get in some early damage, and then closer to the mid-game, use cards like Sniper and Final Strike to keep popping off at the castle. So far, that has not happened. I don't know if giving up the board presence early in the game, if that was what caused it to snowball this time. But things are not going according to plan. I could use Sniper and kill the Rakanoth with the Final Strike and replay the Sniper. However, I think I'm going to say respect here and surrender because he just has so many cards in hand and he's not a bad player. So I'm sure he's going to just dominate me. Alright, we're back down to rank 7. This is kind of how I like it. I feel like I have an idea now of some cards I'm going to switch. Cards that are not conducive towards my playstyle and how I'm envisioning playing this deck. Which is good. But I'm going to still play a couple more games. And if I lose my rank, that's kind of best because I want to lose my rank. I want to like mess around at the lower ranks and mess around with different cards and stuff, and even cards that I add in, it's still going to be testing those and not necessarily keeping them. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next game.